this is, I don't know, winter 2000. It's actually like the winter of 2015, but you know, things are pushed back. So this is 2016's winter. And hey, look at these people over here. Right down the corner. They're probably playing around in the snow. I get it. Have a little fun. So, yep. There's the post office off to the right. Of course, it's closed. They have not allowed that at all. And here's Revere Bank to your left. Art Center. Used to be Art Center to your right. I think that's going to be sold. The historic Laurel Theater to your right here. And you can kind of see what's going on. It's pretty crazy. We're fortunate to have a nice truck to get us around. And looks like Laurel's folks are cleaning up the roads a little bit. Well, I mean, I know they're doing everything they can. But it is, the roads are bad. So I recommend anybody without a four-wheel drive or vehicle made for all-terrain and just stay in. It doesn't make any sense for anybody with a two-wheel drive vehicle to be out here. I mean, if it's an emergency, I would suggest you call somebody that could get you that, even the police department or.
So they can call you.
Well, I'm just speaking. But Denny's must be feeding folk, it looks like. Making sure everybody's eating. For the workers. The workers go in there.
KFC.
He's digging out, want to feed people, of course. To your left, look at the strip. Just sitting there relaxing a little bit.
Get to work.
Alright, so that's a bird's eye view of what's going on right now. We're on 198, Route 1. Going through Laurel, 198 and 198 and Route 1, Talbot Avenue, as you can see, if you can see. And yeah, we recommend you stay off the road.
January 23rd, right?
Yeah, January 23rd, 2016. Alrighty, I see the fire department up here.